Hi, this is Dinesh. In this video, I would be talking about how automation tools have simplified the QA procedures and helped us in being more efficient. As we all know how expensive the CPD campaigns are, and there comes the responsibility to make sure everything is in place before the campaign goes live. On an average, we get to work on n number of ticket CPD requests every day. That being said, there are many instances where the client get back to us with last minute changes in the assets, and we have to be really quick, put our best foot forward with our workflow, and make sure things fall at the right place before the campaign is set live. So before we could understand how these tools work, I'd like to speak about the checks we used to do manually prior to invention of the automation tools. I would say the manual procedure was quite time consuming. So I have these assets, sample assets for MVMH and DVMH. Before we can understand, what we'll do is we'll install these assets. For MVMH, we would enter go slash mebot, hit enter, add to Chrome, add to apps, and that will get added to the apps. Close the tab, and for DVMH, go slash dbot, add to Chrome, add app, and that will get added to the DVMH. And I'm sorry, that will get added to the app list. So manually, we used to check everything with respect to the character count of the headline, description, CTA, and we need to make sure that destination is URL is working fine and video is set to public or unlisted and not private, and then generate the snippet, and then use the snippet and traffic, and then do a cross check. So it's a procedure wherein we need to do a lot of stuff simultaneously, and too many tabs. We will be using different tools to open, and we need to check everything manually. So now we'll be talking about how these tools have made a difference. Let's go to MVMH. So this is how the tool looks. All we need to do is we just need to place these assets in the snippet generation tool, click on update. Sorry, for MVMH it's 15 seconds. Copy the snippet, paste it in the input snippet code, and click on proceed. So you get the entire information, like the video is of 11 seconds, headline is of 18 characters, description 28, CTA 10. So these are the numbers which are accurate and to the point. To the point as in, let me explain you, by adding few more characters to the headline count, click on update, copy, and then paste it over here. Sorry, I think I didn't copy it properly. I have a new snippet, proceed. So we get to see that the headline is exceeding the character count in the issue found box. And we have these options wherein you can get to the links like YouTube admin just a click away in order to check if the advertiser is whitelisted in case we have a CTA, or the video snippet generator again if you want to regenerate a snippet. Cache buster in case any of the impression pixel, if given, is not cache busted, we can use that. And we have adds internal help, which will take you to the specs page, and then external specs, then right to left BD tool. This tool we give as a suggestion for Hebrew or Arabic texts, wherein we'll ask them to give the text in using that tool, which will make sure that the characters, which will make sure that the script is in the right format. And 3 pass metrics, we have a preview option over here wherein we can generate a preview instantly and paste it over here. So once we are done with that, we just need to fill in these requirements, like, yes, is video monetized? No. CTA overlay found? No. CTA URL is working fine? Yes. Are the character using double byte? So we don't have a double byte character in this, so we don't have to opt for that one. Issue found, still like to generate canned response? I would say yes. Then click on generate email. You get the instant email over here. Just use this and push back the case saying the MM2 device C headline text. And so that's how MeBot works. And same is the case with the dbot tool. We have like these assets. Let's consider the same assets for dbmh and change this to 30, and we'll remove this, update, copy the dbmh snippet, open the tool, dbot, put it in the input snippet code and click on proceed. So even here you get to see the same options and invisible characters, which is one of the major checks, headline, headline, CTA. So you see here we have used description text, but the tool has ignored it, saying that description is used, which is not applicable for DVMH, which means we need to generate another snippet by not using the what do you call, description text. And same, we just need to fill in these details. Destination URL is working fine, just a click away and you get to see the destination URL is working. So it's leading to Google page because I've generated the snippet using the default one. Are the characters using double byte? So we don't need to touch this in case it's not double byte. And then still like to, because we have generated the snippet with the description text, generate auto response, we have the response. So basically these tools have simplified the QA procedure, I would say, and it's very quick. We are able to give a quick response to our clients, and I think that's what we want when it comes to the process, to be accurate and to be on time, and we deliver it when it's required. Hope this video helped you in understanding the difference between the change which we have actually seen from using the request, processing the request manually, than by using the automation tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good day.